Good morning.
President Buhari has come out to praise Tinubu. He said Tinubu administration are doing perfectly well. So do you think he's deceiving Nigerians or deceiving himself?
I do not want to say whether he's deceiving Nigerians or he's deceiving himself. These are two partners, political partners for a very long time. He leveraged on the Tinubu's gang up, that produced him as president. We know what happened under Jonathan. I know how they used propaganda and all that. Buhari also was part of that arrangement. So unfortunately for Nigeria, we have seen the worst government so far in the history of Nigeria. So if they are trying to say if Buhari is trying to say that Tinubu is doing well, it's left for Nigerians to look at it properly, maybe feast on it and digest on that word and know actually whether they are partners in crime or they're just in the same demonic political circle to destroy Nigeria. So it's left for them to decide. Nigerians should decide.
Okay. And lastly, federal government threatening to revoke license of electricity from companies over power supply. So what can you say to that? They want to revoke license of electricity.
No, the problem is that the generation, transmission and distribution, has been part of APC manifesto for a very long time, right from the time Buhari came in. But unfortunately, they were not able to push beyond where PDP left it. So doing this fire brigade, man, I do not see it working. Nigeria they are the ones in charge. They know how to sabotage. They know how to make political statements. They know how to navigate situations to favor themselves. Most of them are living on Nigerian taxpayers' money, so they don't bother to know whether there's distribution, whether there is generation, and all that. So it's their business. Nobody is taking this government serious. You can see what is happening in Aba now. Just within a space of time. That is what they call determination. That is what they call will, political will to achieve something. This is 104 years of Nigerian existence. We cannot boast of any sector that is as effective as, even the banking sector. Everything is just like that. So coming now to say they want to revoke the license of Disco. Well, all we are saying is that, until it happens, until we begin to see renewed energy in the country, we will not trust this administration for anything.